Hello my friends, here is an archery backstop that is definitely stopping the arrows. They just bounce off of it. A broadhead probably will penetrate, but it will stop that also. This is a matting from Tractor Supply, and it's used for a stall mat for horses. And when talking to the people at Tractor Supply, what they said is they sell most of these for people that are exercising. So they use these in weight rooms so that when they drop their weights to the floor, it doesn't damage the floor. It's 3/4 inch, and I believe it is made out of recycled tires. So it's a heavy piece of rubber, and definitely worth using as a backstop for the archery. Let me show you how I put this together. To put the backstop together, I'm going to notch the corners and lag bolt them together. So I'm going to pre-cut on the lines. I have the lines laid out. That's my axe. Okay, these are going to be bolted together. I'm going to use an eye bolt, so I'm going to hit center here. I'm using an eye bolt. This is a 5-inch with washers on both sides. So I have about 1 inch sticking out the back side. 4-inch lag bolts would have been fine. They would have been better. This is what I happen to have. Tight enough that the washer is being squeezed into the wood. Here I have the mat tacked up, and it's very heavy. So I had it rolled. I managed to get it up onto this chair to take the weight. Then I lifted it up, run a couple screws through the mat, and now I'm securing it with a 2x4 and lag screws. I'm using 4-inch lags. These are 1/4 inch with a washer. This is pre-drilled. Five lag screws, that should hold it. Okay, you can see behind my stop, it's just a banana grove. And I don't want to chase the arrows. I don't want to have a chance of them going into the neighbor's yard. So this stop should do it. Okay, we're going to try a few into the target, then we'll try a couple into the backstop. Thanks for watching, my friends. Bye-bye.